Shalom, YouTube fam. Welcome back to my channel. Just want to give all praises to the Most High, Yahweh. I hope you're having a beautifully blessed day. Let's get into some of the benefits of this herbal tea, starting with the ingredient catnip. So, catnip is wonderful. It is a nervine. It pairs well with skullcap, which is another ingredient that's in this tea. It's good for ADHD, also good for anxiety. This catnip is it kind of helps with gut issues as well. So if you're having like some nervous tension, it's giving you butterflies and making you feel, a little bubbly, try catnip. That one will get you good and relaxed. Chamomile is the next one that's in this tea, and chamomile is great for um, nervous tension, anxiety. It's a sedative. If you have ADHD, again, depression, chamomile, we do not have enough time to talk about every benefit that it has. You can even use it topically. That's how great chamomile is. Keep in mind, both ingredients, the catnip and the chamomile, are great for children and for fur babies, but in children, the effects may be a bit stronger. Last but not least, skullcap, my ultimate favorite. Skullcap is across the board the best nervine in my opinion. It encourages a deep, restful sleep. There's so much I can give you about skullcap. I will definitely have to do a video by itself on that. But just wanted to go over a few little benefits of this sleep time tea and how I make it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, all praises to the Most High. You guys be blessed. Shalom.